As I've told some people, my ex called me the Deer Whisperer. I wish I could have got a better video earlier when this deer was dead in my face a minute ago. This deer is not scared of me. I'm about 130 feet, maybe, from this deer. This deer is not disturbed by me. Hello? Hello? Most deer run off. They don't let you get up on them. I'm right up on this deer. I finally got a chance to film a little bit of my relationship with deer. Been trying to describe this for years to people. I've had deer walk up to my car, right there on the driver's side, just stare at me. This deer should have been ran off. Oh, wait a minute. Wow, wait a minute. Oh, wow. There's a baby deer here. They definitely should have ran off by now. I should have been a threat a minute ago. But for some reason, I'm not a threat to This is why I love nature. This is why we got to get this climate right for our future. I need to be able to see this, and my grandchildren and great grandchildren need to be able to see this where they're supposed to see it. I share. The beauty of Mau, the creator, Mau of Mau Lisa. We also say Segba, to allow me to capture this right up on them, right up on these deer. Right up on them. And they feel no need to run as the instinct would have them to do. Here's the bigger background. They've decorated this park for this season, I have been nicknamed the Deer Whisperer for a few years now, and maybe I am. Hello, dear. Wonderful. They feel no threat. They feel like, and they see me with this phone in my hand, filming them. They don't feel like they need to run. They're picking up on my energy. It's like he just looked, he, she, whatever, just looked around and checked my energy. We call the deer in Yoruba language agbo. That's it. Some people just walked up. They still not moving. This is like 9 minutes now. We filming and they have not moved. They have not ran. They feel comfortable here. There has to be some other ones around. Y'all checking out the deer. I've been filming this for like 10 minutes. They haven't moved. They usually run, deer. Yeah. My ex-wife called me the deer whisperer because deer always come towards me instead of away from me. And it's crazy, yeah. So that's why I'm filming it. My first time getting a chance to film this. I turned around. I was sitting over here. I turned around. The big one was in my face. Yeah. I said, This is wonderful. We call it in the phone language. We say "beme." Beme is nature, right? It also can mean the universe, according to the context that you're using it in. I have to name this deer. I'm gonna have to come with a name for this, the big one here, with both of them. Interesting. In the Ifa priesthood, uh, uh, the deer horn in particular, is sacred to Orunmila. We say Orunmila ni ori keri keri and ni keri keri la jori eja. Ejiogbe nio. Shit. In Yoruba, that's how we would say that in Yoruba. Shit. Who is this? Shit. Ifa ni to ojiji kere. Well, this is a beautiful thing from the perspective of I've been talking about climate change and all that lately. No, it would seem like nobody was really paying attention. I'm sure people paying attention, and some people feel helpless, and that's why they don't post or respond back. But to see this in this particular environment where it should be happening, this is hope. However, this shows the importance of doing what we're supposed to do for our climate even more, so this we can continue to see this. This is this is not the most dense forest type of area, but this is an area where we still should see these beautiful creatures. And fortunately, we are seeing that. December, the Gregorian. These lights are beautiful, by the way. I know it represents Christmas and all that, and I guess it does to them. But yeah, to see this beautiful creature, and I don't know what happened to the little one here. And still in an environment, these creatures are adjusting themselves to what has been built all around them. So let me show you the bigger part right here so you see what's going on. But they, are surviving. And in this case, thriving. Ekuo. Ekuo Logbon. Ekuo Logbon. Ekuo. That's my way of greeting. My intention was to stop filming a long time ago, but this is so beautiful to me and to others that feel the way I feel about nature and our survival on this environment. Because a lot of the herbs, if we think about that, a lot of the herbs Ewe, right? We call them Ama in the Ajah language, Ewe in Yoruba. A lot of the herbs we learn their properties and their importance and what ones to do. There go the little one again right here, and or not to, meaning the ones to use and what not to use and what to use them for. Our ancient ancestors observed how the animals dealt with them, the herbs themselves. Hey, that deer don't eat that herb right there, so you probably shouldn't eat it either. It might be a herb for war, you can deal with a spiritual war, but not, you don't want to, eat that. You want to put that in your food, your nidudu food in the Ajah language, Onje in Yoruba language. Yeah, this video is going to get super long if I keep There's even beauty in the barrenness, all of that, the dead leaves or whatnot. The coloration of the leaves represents my mother Oya, the Orisha Oya, Epa Orisha, Yagan, Yasan. Asha.